Hello, hello, hello. Great day, great day, great day. It's actually a great day today. Someone that I highly respect called my name out and said, "Hi, Isaac, you're having a great radiance about you, a great radiance, and I should keep it going." So I wanted to use that energy of radiance and share this with you. Today, I'm talking about tools of manifesting. Which tool are you using? And do you realize these are just tools? You could have, or you could use any tool to manifest. Manifestation is easy. You just pick a tool that works best for you. Let me explain firstly what tools are. Tools are techniques, suggestions, ideas that will help you to get something done. For example, you have a tool chest that they use to carry their tools around. Repairers, contractors, carpenters, whatever. They always have a tool chest or a tool kit that they carry around with them. And inside that, they have tools they use. A hammer, a screwdriver, a wrench, bunch of tools inside the tool chest. Some people have 10 tools in their tool chest. Some people have 30 tools in their tool chest. Some people have power tools in their tool chest. Example, you might have, let's say, a hammer. That's an ordinary tool. Everybody has a hammer. Click, 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 knock, knock, knock. Everybody has a hammer. But not everybody has what you might say a power hammer. You have the hammer and you have the power hammer. The power hammer is the one that carpenters use that shoots out one nail at one time, like boom, boom. It just puts in the nail as opposed to hammering. So there are two different types, just as we have in manifestation. A lot of you are so excited about manifestation, not realizing that manifestation is a tool. And there are many tools for manifestation. For example, Neville Goddard. He has many, many suggestions, tools that he explains that we use for manifestation. Example, one of the tools he has is SATS. That's the scene before sleep, that drowsy state, the state akin to sleep. SATS, state akin to sleep, or scene akin to sleep. All I know is that for you to know is it's a tool, one tool, state akin to sleep. He has another tool, living in the end. He has another tool, feeling is the secret. They're all tools. We have another tool a book called It Works. That's a tool. So they're all tools that we use. The question is, what identity is using the tool you like best? What self-image is using the tool that you are using for manifestation? All tools for manifestation work. It's just that some people might not align with certain tools. Like there was one technique I tried myself a few years ago, which was 369 technique. I think that came from Nikola Tesla. The 369, you write 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, 9 times at night. I tried that technique for a solid year. It didn't work for me. Not that it doesn't work, it works perfectly for some people. But for me, some reason it didn't work. At first I'm thinking, what's wrong? And my mentor told me, everybody is different. We have different stages in life. Maybe for me at that time, that technique did not work for me. I shouldn't worry about it. Pick another technique. That's when I picked up Neville Goddard's SATS. State akin to sleep. That works for me. So I just kept doing that one. And then there are many other tools. People keep asking me about a bunch of tools. What tools do I use? What tools are in my tool chest or in my tool case are different from your tools. Many people are taking on the role of, I love this technique, I love it, but they're forgetting that's just a tool. You have your self-image and your identity, which is using the tool. The question is your self-image, or even better, your identity, in line with what you want to manifest? If your identity, your self-image is of that of somebody who has low self-esteem, not too much money, you're not going to be making $1 million. Period. Because if you have low self-esteem, you have low vibration for money, it's not going to come. It's not in alignment. You could be doing a tool till you're blue in the face. It's not coming. But when you pick a tool that aligns with your self-image or your identity, or you want to upgrade your identity, then you can match the tool with your identity. And in most cases, you get what you're looking for. It's all about knowing the differences between the tools that are available for manifestation, and there are many. I mentioned Neville Goddard, I mentioned Nikola Tesla, there's Earl Nightingale, who's got some great tools, by the way. Earl Nightingale's 30 days technique is perfect. That works for me. Napoleon Hill has some. Joe Dispenza has some. Kevin Trudeau has a tool. Oh, Your Wish is Your Command. He even has the Your Wish is Your Command book, which is the updated version of Your Wish is Your Command. And in that book, I think it's chapter 17, he mentions something called the creation algorithm. I really implore you to get a copy of Your Wish is Your Command book and read it through and pay particular attention to chapter 17, the creation algorithm. There are 40 points in that creation algorithm, which are all tools, but those are power tools. Those are power tools to get you what you want a lot faster, help you to manifest a lot faster, and to help you realize you, you are a creator. So you create whatever you want with the tools given. So check that out. It's called, let me see. You got to get a copy of his book and go to chapter 17 for the success algorithm. I'll make a video about that algorithm, which I've been working on myself for the past couple of months. Absolutely phenomenal and fantastic. But I wanted to give this video really short, just around the tools of manifestation. There are many tools. What tool in manifestation are you using currently? Yeah, write it in the comments below. What tool for your manifestation are you using currently? Like I had mentioned to me, or to you guys, one of my favorites is SATS, the state akin to sleep. I do that every night. That's one that I use a lot. What are you using? And if there's something that you want more explanation about, let me know in the comments below, and I'll share with you if I've gone through it or I might want to experiment with it. But use those techniques for yourself. So I gotta go now. Just remember, pick a tool for your manifestation that works for you. Try a bunch of them, but when you do and one starts to work, stick with that one until you master it. All right, I gotta go now. Have a great day, and I love you all. And check out my group down below, where I give out lessons and I teach and I share what I've learned along the years. In my school group, the link is below as well. So, have a great day, and I love you all. I really do.